Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with super healthy option oil-free puris in air fryer in 4 different ways. Enjoy these healthy puris with curries, mango pulp, etc. Comes out very fluffy and not saggy. These puris will be soft on one side, little crispy on the other side. Usually puris are deep fried. Unlimited frequency increases the risk of heart diseases due to trans fats. Thus air fried way is the healthiest option. Keep puris in hot pot or airtight container. Keeps them soft after hours too. As you see, air fried puris have zero trans fats. Notice that deep fried puri made out of same wheat flour is unhealthy due to higher trans fats and more calories. Mode of cooking really plays a big role. Thus it's best to limit deep fried puris to occasions only and reduce the quantity. Enjoy air fried puris instead. These are the 4 ways of making oil-free puris. Pan frying, directly placing, steaming and freezing. Pan frying way takes little less time in air fryer. Only the texture and extra prepping time for each method of air frying is different. Taste and softness wise all are similar. Let's get started. Add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Half a teaspoon salt. Mix flour and salt together. Add around 3/4 cup of water and knead to medium soft dough. Cover with a bowl or lid. Rest it for 5 minutes. Knead the dough again. Take a small portion of dough. Make small equal sized balls. Puri press helps for making even shaped puffy puris. First place polythene. Place puri dough ball and press gently until little thin. Place puri separately to avoid sticking. Let's see the pan frying way. Heat the pan on medium flame. It shouldn't be too hot. Fry puri both sides each 30 seconds or until tiny brown spots. Or you can fry multiple puris at one go. Meanwhile, preheat the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. Place 4 to 6 puris as per its capacity. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for less than 2 minutes. Flip halfway. Flip once again if needed at the end. You can see how fluffy and nice texture it has. It's totally oil free. You can enjoy these puris without guilt. This is optional brushing for oil texture. Use any 0-calorie oil spray. I prefer spraying oil in a bowl first, than directly over puri. Brush on both sides of puri. This is one way to trick deep fried puri fans. You can as well place puris directly in air fryer. Preheating and air frying is all same. Place puris directly. Air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for around 2 minutes. Flip halfway. It gives a little different texture. Here is the steaming way. First steam puris in idli cooker for a minute. Place steamed puris in preheated air fryer basket. Rest of the process is all same. Here is the freezing way before air frying. Freeze puris in deep fridge for an hour. Air fry frozen puris in preheated air fryer with same settings. Based on time and comfort, you can try making any method and enjoy the healthy puris with your favorite side dish. These puris from hot pot absolutely look like deep fried ones. Hope you like making air fried puris. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty recipes. See you again. Thanks for watching.